Welcome to a new video of Zack's pronunciation. The word we are pronouncing in this video is pronounced urn. Urn. Just like to earn something, same pronunciation, different spelling, different meaning. Urn. An urn is a container or vase-like vessel usually used for holding something important. It can mean funeral urn, a container used to keep a person's ashes after cremation, or a decorative urn, a large ornamental vase used for decoration in homes or gardens. Tea or coffee urn, a large container used to serve hot drinks at events. Urn. Urn. For example, you can say the ashes were placed in an urn. They served tea from a large silver urn. Urn. Urns have been used since ancient civilizations for storage, ceremonies, and burials. Urn. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zack's pronunciation and check out other videos in the playlist to learn the pronunciation of different English words.